Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I am on the road to 1,000. I'm hoping to hit that milestone by my 1 year anniversary. I'm 1 year on YouTube in September, but I didn't post my first video until October. So between September and October, I'm hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers. I definitely can't do it without all of you, so I truly appreciate you. My returning subscribers, you guys know how much I love you, and I thank you so much for always showing up for me. Today I'm going to do my cash stuffing, if I can talk, my cash stuffing for the second week of August. I already stuffed last week, but didn't have an opportunity to do a video. But before I get started, I'm going to unstuff my cash envelopes. I did spend more money this week or this last week than I normally do. But gas, I'm thinking I might lower this because even with my side part-time on-call jobs, the gas is going down, and so I'm not spending as much as I thought I would, but just to be on the safe side, I might see how it goes for a couple more weeks. But I have 25 left over from gas. I did put 50. I fill in every Saturday, no matter where my gas tank is. I try to keep it above, as soon as it hits half tank, I fill it up just because I feel like the gas lasts longer. But I am doing some little tricks that I read about that kind of help you get more bang for your buck at the gas pump. I'm not sure if they all work, but I mean, I am spending less money at the tank, so who knows. Next is food, and in my food, I did spend some. I have $2 left there. Beauty rolls over, and then I have my spending envelope, and my spending, I have 3 left over, and 1 will go to my mom's envelope. So in total, minus that F, because I won't be doing anything with it, we have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 that will go towards my savings challenges along with this one. And the envelope after that is my Larry envelope, but that is money that's going back to the bank to pay back my credit card. So before we get started on actual stuffing, I do want to pick my envelopes for my savings challenges. I'm going to start with Mel's Mystery 15. Mystic Budgets is Mel here on YouTube. And so let's see, 4 and 5. No, that would be 4, 25, and a 40. So a 25 and a 40 I'll be taking out to stuff. So let's just pull them out. So 25 right there, and a 40. Oh, same color, so let's do that one. All right, so a 25 and a 40, I'm going to set this to the side because I'll get cash for those. And then next is my 24 envelope challenge from D versus Debt. If I can get the ring light out of the way. And what I do here is I just pull 2 cards that I have left to do. So I'll pull these 2. So we have 10 and 7. And so I'll get the cash for these so I can stuff those on my savings challenges. The rest of my savings challenges, or most of them, if not, yeah, the rest of them I stuff with prop money because that money goes directly into my high yield savings accounts on Ally so that they can earn interest instead of sitting in my binders waiting for that savings challenge to be completed. But so back to my stuffing. So first we're going to do gas. Again, I'm going to do 75 just because I want to make sure I don't go over. So we have 50, 70, and 5 going to gas. Next is food. Food, I give myself 25, although I try not to spend it. I put it there just in case. I am trying to eat food from home and not eat as much out. Beauty will get 25, and this one rolls over because out of here I get my nails, my hair, which my nails I need to get done, but my hair and everything else, my beauty products, bath products, all that stuff comes from here. So in beauty we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, and 171. So 171 in beauty. Spending, I give myself $10. I'm sorry, $15. So 10, 15 in spending. And that's it for my cash envelope. So I'll just set this binder aside. And then moving on to my revolving or short-term envelopes. Let's see if I can get the ring light. Okay, there we go. So first we have family fun, and that will be getting $30. So we have 20 and 30. So we have, I'm trying to get there. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2, 3. So $103 in my family fun. Next is birthdays, and birthdays will be getting $40. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 55. So 155 in birthdays. I have not been keeping up with the trackers, so I'm just going to leave the trackers there. Let's see if I can put that there. Okay. Next is medical. Medical will be getting 30. So a 20 and a 10. So medical now has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 77, and 78. I would repeat it, but already I forgot. I'm going to be honest, I forgot what I just counted. So I'm just going to keep on moving. Clothes is not getting anything today. Car maintenance is getting 35. So I'm trying to build this back up. I do need to get an oil change. So 20, 30, and 5. And so car maintenance now has 50, 70, 85, 90. So $90 in car maintenance, which that's just about enough for an oil change. Support small is going to be getting $10, and this is for, you know, my fellow YouTubers or, you know, anybody I meet on Instagram that have small businesses. I do like to buy from them. So I try and stuff it, although I feel like I spend it before I can stuff it, which is perfectly fine. I love supporting all the small businesses out there. So next is a new folder or a new envelope that I'll be stuffing. This is my YouTube. This will go towards my YouTube channel in the way of giveaways, be it monetary or actual products that I'm going to buy and give away. And so today I am going to be adding $10, which it wasn't in here. I had to grab it off the table over there. So it now will have 10, 15. So $15 for my YouTube channel. And then that's it for this one. Let me take that dice back out. Next we have my dated funds. So these are things that I'm saving up for over the year. So my car registration, I've paid it this year, so I'm just saving up for next year's car registration. And so let's see, actually car registration's not getting anything today. My nursing renewal is not getting anything. Moving, I'm not stuffing yet. Welk fees will get 40. This is for my timeshare. I do own it, but I do have to pay maintenance fees on it. So I'm saving up for the maintenance fees for next year. It's every other year. So in Welk's fees, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, which I'm going to put this aside so I can put in a 1,000 placeholder. So 1,000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, and 160. So 1 second. So I am going to put in this Moana $1,000 placeholder. I got this from Amethyst Treasures on Etsy. Or you can also go check her out on Amethyst Budgets here on YouTube. So again, we have 1,000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160. Yes, I got stuck there. All right, but we made it through it. My P.O. box is going to be getting $6 if you'd like to be pen pals. Definitely look down in my description. I have my P.O. box listed down there. I would love to hear from you and, you know, send things back and forth. So in my P.O. box, I have 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. I recently paid this, so now I'm saving up for the next 7 months. Amazon Prime is not getting, yes it is. I take that back. Amazon Prime is getting 15 today. So let's see, we have 10 and 15. So Amazon Prime now has 110, 25, 26, 27, which I should be just about done with this one. But I'll have to double check. That just doesn't seem right to me. Let me move these handles out of the way. All right, so that's it for this one. Next, I'm going to be stuffing for my nieces and nephews. I'm not going to count each one of these because they're all the same except for my oldest one. He has a little bit more because he is older than the rest, and so any extra that I have from my savings challenges that doesn't divide evenly into the 8, I put into his folder or his envelope. So they'll all be getting $10 from the Larry challenge that I do. I did $10, so I'll count one, and then the rest I'm not going to count because, like I said, they'll all be the same. So they have 100, 120, 130, 140, 145, 146, and 147. So there's 10 for Alexander, who's my newest. He's 2 months. Joshua will get 10. So he has 147. Narai will get 10. They have a ways to go. They are both just recently turned 1. Sayla is 2. She will get 10 as well. So by the time they get this money, they would have, hopefully I'll have a nice little egg to give them. Catalea will get 10 as well. Annalise will get 10. Oops. Alana will get 10. And then Jeremy, who is the oldest of them all, he will also get 10, but I'll count his because it's different. So he has 120, 40, 51, and 52. All right. Now, if you follow my journey, you'll see that on my 2 savings challenges ago, I was able to complete my rainy day challenge. And so the goal of that one was to go into my 3 to 6 month binder for my bills so that I can have 3 to 6 months put aside. And so what I did is I divided that 500 into my different categories. I gave myself 1 month for the ones for most of them, and then I had 2, I believe, left over that didn't get anything today, only because the rest of it got it. So cable and bill, my goal is 160, which is about average of what I pay. So for this one, and I already colored in the trackers, so my cable and internet bill will get 90. So I'll put in 50, 60, and 90, and that should give me my 160. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 155, and 160. So that gives me 1 month ahead. These are to show 3 months. So my cable internet bill is 1 month down. My electricity on average, it's usually doesn't go over 200 unless we run the AC like crazy, but we have been lucky. So electricity will be getting $130. So we should have 200 in here. Oops, let's take that out. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, and 200. So 200 gives me 1 month. So I'm happy to see these ones fill up at least 1 month ahead. Car insurance is filled up. I usually pay around 200 a month. And so my auto insurance is going to get 130 as well. So we should have 200. So 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 95, and 200. So again, that's 1 month ahead. My phone bill is going to get 150, so I pay about 280. I do have 3 phones and a tablet on my account, so it should get the last 150. So I won't have a full month, but I will have close. My full month is 280. I believe there should be 240 in here, but let's see. So I have 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 235, 240. So yeah, 240, yes. So 240, so I just need $40 more in here so that I have my 1 month. I do have some savings challenges that are going towards my 3 to 6 month ahead. That I'm thinking of just stuffing into here on those days instead of putting it in the envelopes. I'm going to focus on my phone bill so that it can get to a month. Then I'll move to my life insurance, and then my house is, this envelope here is going to be a feet. I'm going to try and throw money at it on my cash stuffings just because rent in California is ridiculous, and I pay at least $3,000. I will say I pay more than $3,000, but when I started this envelope, it was $3,000, or it was a little bit under $3,000, but my rent increased. But anyways, so for 3 months, that's already $9,000. So to get to 6 months, it's going to be a pretty penny, but I'm determined to get it stuffed as much as possible. I would be happy with 3 months rent in here, but like I said, I'm just going to keep going to get to that 6 months, however long it takes me. But that is the last of my cash envelopes. I thank you so much for being here with me and staying with me through everything. I hope you are having an amazing week, and I pray for nothing but blessings on your lives. And I can't wait to see you on my next video. Bye.